Working from home. You're a product owner, you're a product manager, and you got to work from home now more than you do usually. So what are my 3 Agile coach tips for product owners, product managers working from home? Number 1, work more closely with your team members. Figure out during sprint planning, during retrospective, during review, how are they proceeding with their plan. Number 2, make sure that you're in constant contact with your stakeholders, your senior stakeholders, your sponsors, and that they're abreast of what the team is planning to do and follow up with. Now, the third most important thing as a product owner, product manager, that you want to make sure you're doing is start creating more than one roadmap, right? You want to have a roadmap that's realistic. Now, with the high level of uncertainty with the coronavirus, one realistic, one that is pessimistic, and one that is optimistic. And that's really crucial. So 3 things. Number 1, stay in touch with your team. Number 2, make sure you're in constant contact with your stakeholders and executives. And number 3, start maintaining more than one roadmap. I'm going to talk more about the pessimistic and optimistic roadmap next time when we meet. So thanks for listening. Stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you all next time.